Hey Doodlebugs, let's draw Stitch. So, let's begin, as I often do, with a line in the middle going across, just like that. And then we're going to curve the line under and up, just like that. And then we're going to do these nostrils, just darken those in just like this. Feel free to pause if you need to, guys, as always. Now we're going to start with these eyes, so just under this part of the nose here, we can go past, round and over, and this side past, round and over. Then we're going to curve this back up just to there and over to that side. Now let's draw a circle there and another little one there. And a circle there with another little one just slightly over a bit to that side. We're going to show these in dark later anyway. Now I'm going to bring this line of a smile coming across. So I'm going to bring a line across quite tight to just under the nose there and to there, and then a couple of little lines either side. And then a small line under there, and then we're going to do these eyebrows coming up and thicken them in just slightly. The same on that side, thicken it in slightly. And a little line above, a little line above, and a line above the nose there, like that. Just slightly left to the top where the nose is there, I'm going to do a piece of hair that curls round, like a zigzag going round like that. And then I'm going to do a line starting just there, going round up to there, and the same on that side, round down to there. Now we're going to bring a cheek going round to there, and the same this side, around to there. Now we're going to bring a curve up for the ears, so we're going to start up, just coming up to the top, and curve around, and again this side, up to the top and curve round. Then bring that curve down and stop. And this one we're going to bring down further, so we're going to go down and stop there. To a little V shape sort of cut there, and one here. And then I'm going to do another V shape there, just like that, and then one here, like that. Then we can take this and we can curve this right down past that V shape and under. And this one we're going to bring it over and join it there. Just tidy that up a little bit there. Then we're going to bring this curve up and join it on, and this side up and join it on, like that. I've now got that head shape. We're going to do a line around here to make a belly, so we're going to go a curved line around like that. Pushed up just slightly so you can see it, and then we're going to do another curved line just under where that eye started, like this and like this. And then a little zigzag hair bit there. Then we're going to do a line just there and just there. And then curve another one out like that and out like that. Now just over this way I'm going to map out 3 little claws. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we can join these up just like that to make those little feet. And then we're going to do an arm going out and an arm going out like that. And then a small claw there, a small claw there. A small claw there, a small claw there, and another one there. It's just mapping where those fingers can be. And then we can join those hands up with all these lines. And just join it all together to make his body. And then we can just do a faint line around the belly and around the eyes. And put some colour there later. And then a couple of little lines to show him standing on some ground here. I always like to do some lines and maybe some little sort of circly bits. Oh, there's gravel there under him. And then maybe a couple of creases just in this ear, like that. But basically, there you have Stitch. Would you like to see your drawings on the channel? If you've drawn along to any of the tutorials, please email them to artfuldoodlebug@outlook.com and I'll feature the best ones here.